Hi guys, Gumball Machine Kids here. We are at Home Depot today and we are very excited to be here. We are with a Roadrunner Gumball Machine. We each have $1. Let's look what's in there. What do we hope to get?
I want the pink one.
Yeah, Claudette wants the pink one. I want a blue one. So, do you want to go first?
Sure. I got a blue.
Oh, you did? Maybe we can trade if I get a pink. So don't eat it yet. Can you show us your gumball? That's awesome. Now let me put in mine. Oh, I have to crank it back.
Okay.
I got a green one. That's fine with me too if you want to keep the blue one.
I want to keep the blue.
Okay. So this is my gumball. It is a
Gumball.
double bubble green one.
Hello.
It's official double bubble. Don't worry. Yeah, this is a Roadrunner Gumball Machine here at Home Depot. I think they have it at all Home Depots. Only costs $1. We're gonna taste test these real quick, and yeah. That is really good. I think mine's green apple flavored.
My blue raspberry.
Yeah, these are really good. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe. Bye.